Okay, in this problem, we want to evaluate the limit numerically. Basically, evaluate the limit by plugging in numbers until we see sort of a pattern or where the y values are trending towards as the x values are approaching 2, both from below 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, and from above, getting closer to 2, 2.1, 2.01, 2.001. So we'll do this by plugging numbers in and see if we could see what we see. Now, I really want to emphasize how using the DESMOS online calculator makes this process really easy. So I'm just going to go up to desmos.com. Okay, and this is I'll full screen it for a second there. So this is what the DESMOS online calculator looks like. We don't need the graphing portion for this problem. We're just going to be using typing in our function over here. Okay, so our goal is to see if we could evaluate this limit here by plugging in numbers. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type that expression in to DESMOS as a function, f of x. So let's say f of x is equal to, now let's put the numerator in parentheses, 1 over x plus 1 over minus 1 over 3, okay? And all that is over x minus 2, okay? So really, the work is done. We have our function entered into DESMOS, and now what we could do is we could evaluate the function by just typing in f of 1.9, f of 1.99, and so on. So I'm going to add an item here, that little plus sign. I'm going to add an f of x expression, and let's say f of 1.9, and voila, that is it. And the directions down here say round your answers to 4 decimal places. Okay, so when we plug in 1.9 into our expression, we get say a negative 0.1149. We'll round it 4 places. Okay, what about 1.99? All I do is put a little 9 in there to the f of 1.9. Now f of 1.99, and it is negative 0.1115. We round to 4 decimal places. 1115. And let's throw in a third 9. And we get negative 0.1111. Negative 0.1111. Okay. Now let's do it coming from the other direction, coming from above. So let's replace that with 2.1. 2.1. And we have negative, let's see, round to 4 places, negative 0.1075. Negative 0.1075. Let's change that to 2.01. And that's negative 0.1107. 1107. And we'll plug in 2.001. And if we round this to 4 places, it looks like negative 0.1111. Now, it's not the exact same, it's not the same negative 0.1111. So let's go ahead and plug in f of 1.999. So see, they're slightly different. They both, if we round to 4 decimal places, they both round to the same negative 0.1111, but they're still slightly different. But it looks like as we approach 2 from the top and approach 2 from the bottom, the y values, the outputs, the function values are getting closer and closer to negative 0.1111. Okay, So that was about 5 minutes. It should take you half that time because I did a lot of talking in there, maybe even less. So I do recommend Desmos for this, at least for this particular topic, evaluating limits numerically by plugging in numbers. I think it's a much more efficient way than using a handheld calculator. Okay, hope this helps.